an unusual signal from the Andromeda galaxy, sparking excitement, mystery, and speculation within the scientific community. Andromeda, the closest spiral galaxy to our Milky Way, lies over 2.5 million light-years away, and any signal traveling this vast distance would need to be incredibly powerful to reach us. The discovery raises profound questions about its origin and the possibility of intelligent life. When analyzing space data, scientists use a process called spectrometry to examine light across various wavelengths. Different wavelengths reveal different elements and compounds, essentially allowing researchers to determine what objects in space are made of or what processes are occurring around them. However, the recent signal coming from Andromeda stands out due to its unusual characteristics. It does not align with any known cosmic events such as a supernova, gamma-ray burst, or the movement of dense stellar objects. Instead, it presents a unique pattern and structure, suggesting the possibility of artificial origins, something that naturally caught the attention of scientists and the public alike. This signal exhibits an organization that differs from the randomness typically observed in naturally occurring signals. Astronomers are particularly fascinated by the periodicity or regular intervals of the signal's peaks. In nature, such regularity is rare. It can sometimes occur with pulsars or rotating neutron stars, which emit radiation at predictable intervals as they spin. However, these astrophysical objects have well-studied emission profiles, and the Andromeda signal does not fit any of these known profiles. Instead, the signal appears to have a structured modulation, a telltale sign that might suggest a form of communication or transmission, much like radio waves. While it is premature to assert that the signal has an extraterrestrial origin, this possibility has reinvigorated the search for alien intelligence in a way not seen since the famed WOW signal, detected in 1977. The excitement surrounding the Andromeda signal also stems from the fact that Andromeda itself is a galactic neighbor, giving scientists a slightly higher hope of identifying potential sources within its structure. Andromeda, similar to the Milky Way, has billions of stars, many of which are thought to host planets within their habitable zones, the range where conditions might be suitable for life. This idea leads researchers to wonder if there could be a civilization with the capability and resources to send an intergalactic signal. A society advanced enough to accomplish this would likely be far ahead of humanity, possessing technological capabilities beyond our understanding. Of course, while the prospect is tantalizing, the scientific community remains cautious. For a signal to travel across the Andromeda Milky Way distance would require immense energy, posing additional questions about how such an advanced civilization could generate and direct it toward Earth. The JWST, with its unparalleled sensitivity and cutting-edge equipment, was able to capture this signal in unprecedented detail. Its vast mirror allows it to detect faint sources of infrared light from extremely distant cosmic phenomena. When the signal from Andromeda was observed, scientists quickly realized its anomalous nature and began comparing it with other known cosmic signals, such as those from quasars, black hole accretion disks, and supernova remnants. None of these typical sources matched. Moreover, the signal exhibited a frequency range that does not correspond with any known space phenomena, further deepening the mystery. The possibility of a highly unique natural phenomenon cannot be ruled out, but given the structured intervals and regular pattern, many are considering alternative explanations. Another compelling factor is that this is not the first unusual signal humanity has detected from space. SETI's Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence has been analyzing radio signals for decades, picking up sporadic, mysterious blips. While these often turned out to be Earth-based interference or explained by astrophysical sources, a few have defied explanation. For instance, the WOW signal, detected by Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope in 1977, lasted 72 seconds and has never been replicated. The Andromeda signal, however, was observed for a longer duration and has already been documented by other telescopes, reinforcing its legitimacy and making it unlikely to be a one-off glitch. Some scientists are already comparing it to the WOW signal, but with even greater potential significance due to the unique characteristics it displayed. A critical aspect of verifying the signal's origin lies in ruling out possible earthly sources of interference. This is a meticulous process involving the triangulation of data from multiple observatories around the world. Each telescope aimed toward Andromeda has detected the signal, effectively ruling out local interference from satellite transmissions, ground-based technology, or atmospheric disturbances. Such extensive validation suggests the signal's origin is genuinely interstellar, heightening interest in its nature and purpose. Some researchers have even suggested that, given its organized structure, the signal could be a probe or a beacon intentionally sent out to announce the presence of an advanced civilization. If the Andromeda signal indeed turns out to be a deliberate attempt at communication, it would lead to paradigm-shifting questions about humanity's place in the universe. A civilization capable of sending such a signal would likely possess knowledge and insights far beyond our current understanding of science, technology, and physics. Engaging with such a civilization, if possible, could expand our knowledge, providing us with new theories and technologies that could advance our own development. Yet, the idea of first contact also brings caution. As noted by many experts, intergalactic communication might not always have friendly intentions. The implications of receiving such a signal range from inspiring awe to instilling trepidation. Even as researchers explore the extraterrestrial hypothesis, other scientists propose alternative explanations rooted in rare natural cosmic events. Some suggest that the signal could originate from an undiscovered form of cosmic phenomena, perhaps a new type of black hole interaction or an exotic particle cascade in Andromeda's core. If this were true, the discovery would still be groundbreaking, representing a new class of space event that challenges our understanding of astrophysics. The James Webb Telescope's incredible capabilities provide hope that further observations will clarify the signal's source, whether it is a beacon from an advanced civilization or a previously unknown cosmic event. Amidst the excitement, scientists are taking a methodical approach, cautioning against jumping to conclusions. Despite the fact that this Andromeda signal exhibits characteristics unlike any observed before, they emphasize that rigorous analysis is needed to prevent any sensationalist misinterpretation. Historical experience reminds us that the search for extraterrestrial intelligence is fraught with ambiguity. For instance, the pulsars initially thought to be signals from aliens turned out to be rapidly spinning neutron stars. Thus, researchers are careful to maintain scientific rigor, analyzing data to ensure all possible natural sources are exhausted before leaning into more speculative explanations. The James Webb Space Telescope will continue to be an invaluable tool in this quest, equipped as it is to peer into the depths of space with unprecedented precision. In the coming months, the JWST team, in collaboration with other global observatories, will be actively monitoring Andromeda and analyzing every aspect of this mysterious signal. The careful observation will include capturing signals at different wavelengths, which may reveal more about the signal's source and composition. If there are changes in frequency, duration, or strength over time, these could provide further clues, helping scientists narrow down whether the signal has a natural or artificial origin. Whether the signal is a cosmic anomaly or a message from another intelligence, the discovery underscores the potential of advanced technology like the James Webb Telescope to deepen our cosmic knowledge. Every day, the JWST and its counterparts are pushing the boundaries of what we know, capturing phenomena that were once out of reach. This latest discovery from Andromeda has reminded the world of how much there still is to learn, reigniting humanity's curiosity about what lies beyond. For now, the signal from Andromeda remains a profound mystery, and it is this mystery that drives scientists to keep observing, questioning, and exploring. With each discovery, we get a little closer to answering the fundamental questions. Are we alone in the universe? Or are there other intelligent beings looking back at us across the vast stretches of space? The answer might be just within reach, hidden within the whispers of distant galaxies, waiting for us to decode and understand. And perhaps one day, when the time is right, we will finally bridge the gap, unlocking secrets that could redefine our very place in the cosmos.